what people will respond to.
All right, back in just a second with Bill O'Reilly. The masks and the edicts that the president issued last night, inflation, and so much more with Bill O'Reilly. Oh, by the way, Dave Rubin coming up next hour.
This is the Glenn Beck Program.
All right, I want to talk to you a little bit about LifeLock. Geez, I wish the Colonial Pipeline had something like LifeLock, don't you? Maybe they could have gotten their specialists on it. Instead, I guess they look to Microsoft to solve their problems. And you know, to be protected by the United States government, which is oh so effective right now. Putin said it best. We're in a war. We're fighting it right now. And this war, World War III, he said, is a war of ones and zeros. This will affect all of us. And don't think that they're just going for the big guys. They are going to destroy all of us. They want, the cyber criminals want what you have. And by the way, they deserve it, so take it. LifeLock will help detect a wide range of identity threats. If they detect your information has been compromised, as nobody can watch it all, they will send you an alert and give you access to a dedicated restoration specialist if you become a victim. Save now 25% off your first year at LifeLock.com with the promo code BECK. LifeLock.com or 1-800-LifeLock.
All right, so number one book in America, Killing the Mob, available from Bill O'Reilly. We have more for Bill in just a moment. Make sure to subscribe to BillO'Reilly.com.
I'm Dan Watkins, News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Here's what's happening. The CDC says people who are fully vaccinated against the coronavirus do not need to wear masks indoors or outdoors in most situations. WPRI reports Rhode Island officials are expected to make recommendations to Governor Dan McKee. Authorities say it was the biggest mass shooting in the history of Providence last night. 9 people hit and 3 injured. Providence Police Chief Hugh Clemens says it was not random, but involved 2 groups that police are familiar with. Get news 24/7 on demand at newsradiori.com. Now here's your Storm Team 10 forecast.
Today is a warm one with mostly sunny skies to start and afternoon clouds building in. A few isolated showers are possible later on this afternoon with highs reaching the low to middle 70s. Saturday partly cloudy with highs in the middle 70s and an isolated late day shower. Sunday we'll see a mix of sun and clouds with an afternoon isolated thunderstorm possible in the 70s. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Christina Ernie on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
You've eased out on 95 south from Thurber's Ave to Jefferson Boulevard due to an earlier issue. You're slow through the work zone on the 610 connector outbound approaching Route 10. Stop and go on the connector eastbound between Killingly Street and 95. There are moving construction vehicles. I'm Jackie Murphy on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
This report is sponsored by Leaf Filter. Tired of cleaning your gutters? Leaf Filter is America's #1 gutter guard, guaranteed to keep gutters clean for good. Get 15% off your purchase now. Call 844-300-LEAF or visit www.tryleaffilter.com for a free estimate.
Live music is coming back. Let's get it started on September 17th and 18th. Our iHeartRadio Music Festival returns live from Las Vegas. 18 superstar artists. 2 nights, 1 stage.
The biggest music festival in the world.
If you're a Capital One card holder, secure your seats during our early access sale starting Tuesday at 1 p.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Pacific at iHeartRadio.com/festival. We'll see you in Las Vegas. 1640. That's 800-276-1640 for $1 million in term life insurance that you can live with. Call Big Lou at 800-276-1640. 800-276-1640.